Phil, thanks, Phil. Do you have a card brand preference, Tech, and why? Oh, for the GPUs?
URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below.
We've just been screaming about that for the last...
I like premium coolers, but I am not overly picky. The EVGA For the Win 3 coolers are really good on the premium cards. Their lower end stuff, like their XC3, is fine on a 3070. It is dumb and ridiculous on a 3090. You want the For the Win 3. The For the Win 3s are wonderful. On the MSI, the Gaming X Trios or the Supremes, I hate the name, but
I hate the name
they're
too.
good coolers. The Sapphires, the Pulse are good at the lower level. Like a Sapphire Pulse RX 580 or the 6600 that we saw earlier is fine. But if you're going high end, Nitro all the way. I have owned a R9 390X Nitro. I have owned a, was it a Fury Nitro? No, I have owned a Fury. Is it Fury or Fury X? A Fury Nitro. I owned an RX 5700 XT Nitro.
Yeah, you did like that one.
I've had, they're great cards. The Gigabyte cards. The gaming is fine at the low end, which we've been talking about. But the minute you go to the high end, get the Oris Master or go home. Seriously. Just either buy the top end card or don't waste your time. Asus, their tough cards are really good coolers, but the ROG Strix are absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of a personal preference there, but they're both really, really good. The tough gaming triple fan card is a massive heavy cooler. The lower end duals are fine for 3070s. They are dumb, stupid, and ridiculous for 3080s and 3090s. So it all depends upon what you're buying. But as far as whether it's MSI, Sapphire, Asus, Gigabyte, they all kind of have their hits and misses. And I've seen better and worse cards from each company in different generations.
Yes.
So I'm not overly picky. Years ago, there were bigger differences, in my opinion, between the cards.
10 series and 20 series.
Well, I mean, further back, like the 500, 600, 700 series, the Fermi era. These days, they all mostly put out really good coolers.
Well, you'd think they'd figured it out by now.
Yeah, I mean, they've gone so stupid big for so long now.
It's not like it's their first rodeo.
No. If you buy a high-end card, buy the premium cooler model of it. If you buy a lower-end card, you can buy the cheaper model. You know, an RTX 3050 doesn't care which cooler you buy. A 6600 doesn't care what cooler you buy. But a 3080 Ti or a 6900 XT does.
It does.
URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below. $15 gets you a Windows 10 Professional OEM key that is a real product key, activates directly with Microsoft, use it forever as it links to your Microsoft account and it works through reinstalls. Get a full copy of Office 2019 Professional Plus for about $50 that redeems at setup.office.com using your Microsoft account. It also works forever through reinstalls. We have been using URCD keys for almost 3 years now and recommend you do so as well.